my channel. My name is Sean and I'm a licensed real estate agent here in NYC. Be sure to tune in as we tour and compare NYC real estate and bring the news right to you. If this is your first time watching, thank you. Please give us a like and subscribe below. And without any further ado, this week we are touring Greenwich Village, so let's bounce.
Located in Manhattan, this pre-war Greenwich Village loft is a designer's dream space. The loft, a massive one-bedroom, two-bath, reminded me of some of the old New York 90s movies with its deep, yet refined and timeless taste. A perfect home for the successful workaholic or a newborn addition to the family. Eclectic and cool, the decor was very cozy. This loft boasts elegant features including 7-inch wide smoked white oak floors to 10-inch ceilings, extra storage space, and one lovely location. A few key amenities to note are the oversized windows, Nest air control, custom surround sound, and walking distance to local shops, bars, and restaurants.
Okay, that was a really great space with some really great and amazing features. Let's take a look at the next property.
Okay, so immediately upon entering this building, you are greeted with some serious zen feels, and not to mention a polite staff. The lobby, cozy and warm, it's already like your home. The overall ambiance I enjoyed very much when touring the apartment, as there was this enticing yet fun mystery about the space that honestly made you want to see more as you turned each corner. The layout, distinctive in design with an open concept kitchen, along with wellness center, concierge, and private pools, and let's not forget an awesome balcony and some cool views.
Hey, thanks guys. Thanks for going on the tour with me. Again, if you like what you see, please give me a like or subscribe below. Feel free to comment. Any suggestions, tips are more than welcome. Thanks again, guys, for watching the channel. We'll talk to you next time.